The following question asks us to identify the isoelectronic series in the following group of species and arrange the ions in the series in order of increasing radius. So potassium plus, neon, argon, krypton, P3 minus, S2 minus, and Cl minus. So the very first thing that we want to do is identify which of these species are isoelectronic with one another. Once we identified whether or not the isoelectronic, we will then arrange those isoelectronic series in order of increasing radius. So we're going to start off with potassium plus. Well, if we remove one electron from potassium, it's going to become isoelectronic with that of argon. So I'm going to write right now K plus. Well, we have neon is the next element. Is neon isoelectronic with that of potassium? It's not. So I'm going to cross that one out. The next one is argon. Argon is isoelectronic with that of potassium. The next one is krypton. Krypton is not isoelectronic with either potassium or argon, so I'm going to cross that one out. P3 minus, so P3 minus is right here. If we add 3 electrons to phosphorus, it will become isoelectronic with that of with that of argon. So phosphorus is isoelectronic so far with this series. The next one is S2 minus. If we add 2 electrons to that of sulfur, it will become isoelectronic with that of argon. And if we add 1 electron to that of chlorine, it will become isoelectronic with that of argon. So far we have our isoelectronic series. Now we have to go ahead and arrange them in order of increasing radius. So when we answer this problem, we know cations, so cations are always significantly smaller than that of the neutral ion. So these are always smaller. Whereas anions, since we're adding more electrons into our orbital, we're increasing the electron-electron repulsion, well, these are always going to be significantly larger. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and arrange these in order of increasing radius. Well, we know my cation, potassium, is going to be smaller than that of argon. Argon is neutral, so that's going to be the next smallest radius. Now here comes the tricky part. We have 3 anions that we have to arrange. Well, we're going to arrange these in the order in which they accept the smaller number of electrons. So chlorine only accepts 1 electron, so it's going to be the next smallest. Whereas in sulfur, it adds 2 electrons into that system. Because we're adding 2 electrons, we're increasing the radius because we're increasing the number of repulsion in that scenario. Lastly, the one that's going to be the largest will be that of phosphorus.